for the sense of size. It's quite small. Here's a look at the underside. It's pretty clean. It's a little tricky to get the paper in, but it's not impossible. This really is more of a showpiece, I think, than something you're going to be typing with. But it does type. These spools do not spin automatically. You have to spin them by hand. Or maybe you know more about this typewriter than I do and you can fix the mechanism. The spring works, kind of. And it's not advancing the ink, so you got to advance it after a while. It might just need to be cleaned a little better down here. But it does type. You have a figure key to go up. Push that thing to release it, and a caps key to move it up less. Here's the case. It's in reasonably good condition except the front, as is often the case with these cases, which is that this flap here should be attached to the base, and it's not. There you go. Again, here's the dollar bill for scale. Very, very small typewriter.